You think you would mow up? I just drooled. Can I take it a good angle? Cookie? Oh. Don't do it on me. Please. Don't choke.
I don't think so. You're doing
Oh my god! Oh my god! Sorry, I lost control. I lost control. You have to drink it upside down. I'll do it with you. I'm done. Is it going out your nose? Hold on, I'm bringing it upside down, Mom! I have to land my leg on the edge! Pick it upside down. Yeah! What? Crying? Oh, Piggy! Okay, Michaela, let's party. Go party. Did you put it?